Welcome to Patent Strategies for 3D Printed Artistic Creations. Let's jump right into how you can protect your digital art. The rise of 3D printing introduces new complexities for intellectual property. We'll explore patent strategies essential for artists and creators. There are three main patenting strategies for 3D printed artistic creations: design patents, utility patents, and protecting the digital file itself. Understanding these is key. When it comes to 3D printing, the choice between design and utility patents depends on what you are protecting, the look or the function and creation method. A design patent focuses on the ornamental appearance of the 3D printed object, protecting the unique, non-functional visual characteristics of your artistic creation. A utility patent, conversely, protects how the artistic creation functions or the novel process used to produce it. This covers the technical innovation behind the art. The 3D model file itself, the digital blueprint, is a valuable asset. Protecting this file, often via copyright, secures the digital representation of your artistic creation. Securing the digital blueprint, like the STL or OBJ file, is critical. This prevents illegal digital reproduction and distribution of your artwork before it even becomes physical. Consider patenting the 3D printing process itself. If you've developed a novel or non-obvious method for producing your art, a utility patent may be applicable. Novel methods, such as unique layering techniques or material application during 3D printing, can be protected by a utility patent, safeguarding the innovation behind the fabrication. When dealing with 3D printed art, you must think globally. IP laws vary significantly, and international filing is often necessary to protect against worldwide infringement. Global IP laws for 3D printed art are still evolving. Understanding the nuances of copyright, design registration, and patents in key markets is vital for international protection. To wrap up, let's quickly review the core strategies and discuss the importance of acting fast. Remember to evaluate whether design or utility patents, or both, are needed. Don't forget to protect the crucial digital model file as well. A strong IP strategy starts early. The moment you conceive your artistic creation or innovative printing process, consult with a professional to secure your rights.